Hello everyone, welcome back to Shilin Anubha Academy. I am Anubha, a corporate trainer. Today we are going to discuss packages in Java. So guys, packages are required to group the related classes and the interfaces together in your Java. Okay, like we are having the directory structures in the file systems in Windows, where we are having the directories and the subdirectories and the files inside those directories or the subdirectories. Okay, same ways we can have the folders, or you can say the packages in Java, where it will be consisting of the sub packages or certain classes or the interfaces. It is grouping those related content, related classes or the interfaces together. It is useful to remove those naming conflicts because two Java packages can have the same class name. Okay, other than that, it is providing the controlled access also. Like for example, if you are creating any member in the classes as protected, we are knowing that the scope of the protected members are within the same package, or in the other package only the derived class can access it. So we are increasing the security also, or we are restricting the accesses, okay, over the data. So guys, packages are of two types, the built-in packages as well as your user-defined packages. Built-in packages are a part of your Java APIs. We can import those packages and we can use it. For example, your java.lang, which is by default available in your Java applications, then java.util, java.sql, java.net, okay, and so on. The same ways we can also create our own packages and we can use the classes across those packages and across the Java application. So I'll explain you with the help of an example. Okay guys, so now we are creating a package. Okay, I have created this folder inside C drive users Anubha folder. Okay, so this is acting as a package for me, and here in this my package I have created a class myclass.java. So I'll show you the code what I have written in myclass.java. Here guys, you have to specify package, the keyword you will be mentioning, the name of the package since this class is belonging to my package. And here I have created the class. I have created this public. Why? Because I want the access, the scope of the class to be throughout all the applications in your same package or in outside the packages also. And here I have created this method as the public one, the display method, and where I'm just printing one line, hello from my package. Okay. Now guys, I have created one more class outside the package, that is test.java. Okay, now here also I will be showing you the code. In this test.java, I am importing the class from your my package. Okay, even if you are not writing this line, it is absolutely okay. You can use the full qualified name here, my package dot my class, and here also my package dot my class. Okay, so either you can use the fully qualified name or you can use the line import my package dot my class, where you are getting the class my class from this package. Okay guys, if you are having the multiple classes from this my package to be used in this Java application, you can use dot star also, but since we are restricting it to a specific class, so I am just giving the specified name that my class I want to get it from the my package. Okay, so after importing, in this test class I have created the main, and inside the main I have created the object of the my class which is there in your my package, and I am calling display method which was again there in your my class. Okay, now how to execute this code? Okay, I am opening the command prompt for that. Okay, first of all I will be compiling myclass.java since it was not having the main, and I want to check for those errors in case if some errors are there, so that will be coming under the compilation only. So that I want to check before execution of that class in through your test.java class. Okay, so I will be compiling first of all your myclass.java that was available in your my package. So you have to write the entire path. Okay, myclass.java. Okay, so in case if the error would be there, it will be showing that error, and if the compilation is successful, it will be moving on to the next line. Now I will be compiling the test.java. Okay, now I don't require to put the package name here. Okay, why? Because it was outside the package. Now this is also compiled in case of your execution. So guys, you need to only execute your test.java. Okay, no need to execute your my class, since it was not having even the main also. Okay, so now if I will be executing test.java, so you will see that the statement is being printed out. That means here hello from my package was actually called from the display method in my class.java. Okay, like this you can access the various packages, or you can access the classes across the packages and across your Java applications. So guys, in case if you are liking this video, please like, share and subscribe for more related videos. Thank you.